welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Pepsi is made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like
Copy that. Sugar pallet coming down. Ready to scan.
Beep confirms. Lot 821, good to go.
Flavor mix arriving on your left.
Got it. Drop it right next to the sugar.
All ingredients logged. Smooth run today.
Water tank secured, sugar next.
Flavors logged, COB cylinders clear.
Scan confirms, all ingredients verified.
In these sealed stainless steel tanks, precision is everything. Sugar syrup, purified water, and a closely guarded flavor concentrate come together in exact ratios. Blades keep the blend in constant motion while sensors track temperature and flow to the decimal. Within minutes, the whirlpool smooth.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Sensors measure carbonation and temperature with pinpoint accuracy, while robotic systems keep the process stable and consistent. Precision every step of the way.
With massive 10 to 5 outputs, each terrible sale or easier. Every product is checked before leaving the facility. We'll hit promise you if it's vertically when you use terrible and clips to which the residentials no longer accent for everyone.
Thermal balance at 99.7, trending steady.
Copy that. Pressure holding 58, no drift.
Balance reached, we're at 100.
And that's how Pepsi is made, from start to finish. Enjoy.